saves her father. Jimin is a brave girl from South Korea. She is only 13 years old, but is already a black belt holder in karate. She loves other sports and outdoor activities too. She lives with her parents. Her parents often used to scold her because she liked to play always. One day, she was going with her father on his bike. He was going to drop her to the school. From there, he would go to his office. On the way, 3 gangsters asked his father to stop his bike. They started fighting with him. They snatched away his wallet. Jimin rushed to save his father. She started fighting with them. She could easily beat them because she's a black belt champion. 2 of them ran away, but she caught the 3rd. Soon, the police came and caught the gangster. The other gangsters were also caught. Everyone praised Jimin's brave act. Compassionate Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa came to India at a very young age. When she was a small girl, she was compassionate. She wanted to help the sick and the poor. She wanted to make the world a better place to live in. She decided very early in life that she would dedicate her life to the service of humanity. India was a very poor country at that time. The priests in the church she was serving asked her to go to India to help the poor and sick people. She was a brave woman because she dedicated her life to the service of the sick and the poor. She came to Calcutta, now Kolkata, in India. She used to visit the streets of Calcutta to help the poor and the sick. When leprosy patients were often branded as untouchables and abandoned from their own house, Mother Teresa kissed the hands of the lepers without any fear and served them. Melissa wants to serve. Melissa is a young girl. She is compassionate but courageous. Once, she read a lesson about Mother Teresa in her school. She decided that she would also be like Mother Teresa. She told her mother that she wanted to become someone like Mother Teresa. Melissa's mother was happy to learn about the choice of a daughter. She told her that it was a good decision, but she needed to be courageous. There are many problems coming in the way of people wanting to serve human beings, she added. Melissa said that she was ready for the problems. One day, while coming from school, Melissa saw a small dog whining. The dog had met with an accident and was severely injured. Melissa brought the puppy to her home and nursed it well. In a few days, the dog recovered. Her mother praised her. She said, "You have a compassionate heart. You will do well to serve everyone. Ahmed saves a small boy. Ahmed is only 12 years old, but he is extremely brave and courageous. He lives in Iraq. He does not like the war going on in Iraq. Every day, he has to live under worries. Whenever he hears news about the war, he prays to Allah for peace. Ahmed decided that when he grows up, he will ask people not to fight, but to love one another. One day, Ahmed was going out. Suddenly, he heard the sound of bullets very close by. Ahmed understood that the terrorists were shooting innocent people with their guns. Suddenly, Ahmed saw a small boy behind the car. Ahmed fell down as if he had been shot. The terrorists thought that they had killed everyone around. After some time, Ahmed ran towards the small boy and hid himself along with the boy behind the car that was parked there. Later, both of them returned home safe.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.